Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to do exercise 11A of chapter number 11. The title of chapter 11 is Triangles, Quadrilaterals and Polygons. As we have done the classification of triangles, that is, a triangle is classified into two basic groups, according to sides and according to angles. According to sides, the triangle has three types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And according to angles, triangle has three types: right angled triangle, acute angled triangle and obtuse angled triangle. Let's start our today's topic, exercise 11A, question number 2. Question number 2 is, the base angle of an isosceles triangle is given. Find the third angle. As you know that isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. You can see in the diagram that there is a triangle ABC in which AC side is equal to BC side. These two sides are equal. So in isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So angle opposite to BC is angle A and angle opposite to AC is angle B. So angle A will be equal to angle B. One of the base angle is given. It means if angle A is 40 degree, then angle B will also be of 40 degree. Now we have to find the third angle. We have to find the angle C. As you know that in a triangle, the sum of all these angles is equal to 180 degree. It's a rule that angle sum of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. By using this rule, we will find the third angle. Now part A is, the angle, base angle is given, which is 40 degree. We have to find the third angle. So third angle of the triangle can be calculated by subtracting 40 degree, that is first base angle, minus 40 degree, the second base angle, from 180 degrees. We will subtract the base angles from 180 degree. So 40 and 40 is 80, and 80 when subtracted from 180 gives us 100 degree. So this is our required answer. The third angle will be 100 degree. Part B, 87 degree. By using the rule that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, we can find the third angle by subtracting the base angle 87 from 180 degree. So first base angle minus 87 degree minus the second base angle minus 87 degree. We can also write it as 180 degree minus 174 degrees. Or when we subtract 174 from 180 degree, we get 6 degree. So this is the third angle, 6 degree. Again, in question number 2, we have to find the third angle of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides and the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. In the diagram, angle A and angle B are also equal. Angle A and B are called base angles. So, part A, 40-degree angle is given, which is the base angle. It means we have two same angles. So, for finding third angle, we subtract the base angles from 180 degree. In the case of 40 degree, when we subtract 40 and 40 from 180 degree, we get 100 degrees. Similarly, in part B, 87 degree is given. It means that two angles in the base are 87 degrees each. So, third angle can be calculated by subtracting 87 degree first base angle and the second base angle 87 degree from 180. We can write it as 180 degree minus 174 degree, or the answer is 6 degree. This is all for today. Students, you have to do question number 2, part C and D in your copy. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.